Welcome everyone. Question on the percentage composition. What is the percentage composition of iron in the compound Fe3O4? Choices are A. 72.4%, B. 62.3%, C. 36.8%, D. 24.1%. Answer is A. 72.4%. Explanation we will see in the next slide. We know that the formula mass of Fe3O4 is 232 and the atomic mass of Fe is 56. Therefore, the percentage composition of Fe is 3 because Fe3O4 contains 3 Fe atoms into 56. It is the atomic mass of Fe by 232. It is the formula mass of Fe3O4 into 100 is equal to 72.4%. Thank you for watching this video.